Guys, look where I have it. Almost probably, definitely what you guys think it is. And let's talk about it. This is indeed the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, you guys may know that I actually usually only like to upgrade every 2 years or so. I don't typically upgrade every year unless I absolutely need to. Like my current iPhone, which this is going to be replacing, is the iPhone 14 Pro. So, yeah. And in case you guys are wondering, don't worry. My old iPhone is actually going to a family member of mine, so I'm not wasting it at all. Let's see what's inside of the box. Ooh, we know it's a Pro now because of this. Let's go ahead and continue on. Ooh, it's pretty cold actually. It's cold to the touch, but that's because it's cold outside currently. Okay, let's put the phone to the side for a moment, see what else we have. This is what else we have. It's a braided cable, so that's cool. That's cool. And then if we do open this up, we have nothing. Okay, that's what we have. That's what came in the box. But now let's look at the phone itself. I am going to turn it on for the first time so you guys can see me turn it on for the first time. Yeah, you guys get to see me turn it on for the first time. And I'm actually going to go ahead and, do the iPhone syncing stuff like you normally would. So, yeah. Okay, well, there is the unboxing. I was going to show you guys a little bit more on my iPhone, but it's saying that I have to download iOS 18.2 before I can continue. So, yeah, I'm just going to end it off here, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'll update you guys on what I think of this iPhone. Okay, I'll update you guys on the iPhone 16 Pro, my thoughts, and if it was worth upgrading from the 14 Pro, because that's a 2-year gap. So, yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.